Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine Marie. I am a self-taught sewist and I make videos here on YouTube all about fashion, beauty, and design. If you love fashion, beauty, and design videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video. I'm trying to contain my excitement for today's video, but I can't. I got invited to one of my first brand launch events. This brand, y'all, if you've been to Sephora, if you are into fragrance and perfume, you definitely know this brand. This brand is KAYALI. I'm freaking out, y'all. This is all the KAYALI perfume I have. Like, literally, look at how much I've used of just these two. My favorite perfume at the moment has been Sparkling Lychee. Ooh! Is it lychee or lychee? I think it's lychee. But this has been one of my favorite perfumes to wear this summer. I get so many compliments when I wear it. And as you can see, I'm a little obsessed. Just a little bit. So because I am going to KAYALI's brand launch event for her new vacation fragrance line, I thought it would be super fun to make an outfit to wear to the event. Yes, I'm gonna make a whole outfit. I want to go for like a beachy vacation theme. I also have some like beachy accessories that I'm gonna wear with the look. I just think it's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. So stay tuned for the next clip where I show you the fabric we're gonna be using for this look. I think I have some amazing fabric. Before Joanne's close, I picked up this fabric and I think it's gonna be so great for this look. I have been wanting to use it and I just think it's going to look so great. This is the fabric I'm going to be using for this outfit. I picked this up at Joanne. There is some like sentimental value to this fabric. It's this really beautiful blue and it has this really pretty texture on it. Because I have so much fabric, I can definitely make a two-piece set with it. My idea is to do an asymmetrical top and a skirt. This is gonna be cute. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the event. It's in just a few days, so I have plenty of time to make this outfit. We have all the pieces cut out. So we have a cute asymmetrical top here. Ooh! This already looks so good! I found this pattern in my archive that has this really cute like flowiness to it. And it's kind of like an A-line skirt. So I was like, oh, let me just try to make the skirt with this pattern. And I got all the pieces. So here are all the pieces. I just have to pin them together, but I think this is gonna be really cute so far. Like, I feel like I could kind of see the vision. Like, there'll still be some flowiness to it, which I wanted. I realize it is now like 9 o'clock and I have not sewn all the pieces of the skirt yet. I have to finish as much as I can because I only have tonight and then I have tomorrow night to finish and I still have a lot to do and Now I'm in my PJs. I'm gonna try to finish the skirt tonight so then tomorrow I can just focus on the top. I think I'm gonna use my serger to serge all the ends and then we'll be done. I don't have a lot of time. I hope I finish. I hope I finish everything. It is now 11:25 and I finished the skirt and she's looking cute. She looks beautiful. I am going to be serging the bottom hem of this skirt tomorrow, serging my top, adding the neck scarf if I do want to add it. I'm not sure yet. I'll check in with you tomorrow. Good night. This is the final look. Are you kidding me? I really don't know how this look turned out so beautiful, but it just came together. I love how the skirt came out. This is the first time I've actually made a skirt like this, and I feel like it turned out so nice. Also, I added these starfish earrings because I feel like they really will go with like the vacation resort theme of the event. These are the shoes that I'm gonna wear. They're super pretty. They have these like really pretty pearls on the top of them. I have this shell bag. Y'all, what? With the outfit? I mean, I think I look amazing. Perfectly on theme for this event. I don't know why I'm nervous. Like, I've been to brand events before, but this is like a brand launch event, which I've never been to. So I'm super excited to go. I'm going to bring you all along with me, of course, and we're just going to have a fun time. Let's go. I am back from the event in my comfy clothes now. Thank you all so much for watching this video. This event was so much fun. Thank you so much to the Sienna Naturals team for the special invitation. Thank you to the KAYALI team who was so amazing throughout the whole event. I feel like I left the event learning so much more about fragrances and how to apply them and fragrance layering, which I did not know about before, but now I know and I've been doing it nonstop. If you want to keep up with me, I am at the Charmaine Marie on all the platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more fashion, beauty, and design videos. Also, oh my gosh, I just saw that I hit 900 subscribers, which I was like, wait a minute. I just want to say thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. Like, thank you for supporting these like videos and ideas that I have. Like, I'm so excited that I can just share a piece of myself into the sewing fashion space. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.